The SSO for Viewers option is used to share a flipbook via a secure direct link without requiring the viewer to have a Flipsnack account or be invited to the workspace. It's ideal for both one-off or broad distribution. For example, sending out a confidential newsletter or an employee handbook to your entire company, where the link itself is protected by SSO. Essentially, anyone who has the link can view the flipbook only if they log in through your organization's SSO. If the link is forwarded, it's still useless to the outsider because it will prompt for company credentials. Using SSO for Viewers is very straightforward. First, make sure your SSO connection is configured. Then, go to the flipbook you want to share and set its privacy to private SSO-only. Once you enable SSO-only access to the flipbook, Flipsnack will generate a unique URL for the flipbook. You can then copy this link and distribute it to your audience through your usual channels. If the person is already logged into your organization's SSO in their web browser, Flipsnack will recognize this and grant them direct access to the flipbook immediately. The flipbook opens for them without any extra steps. If they are not currently logged in, they will be securely redirected to your company's SSO login page and asked to sign in. Once they enter their credentials and their IDP verifies them, Flipsnack will automatically display the flipbook content. There's no Flipsnack dashboard or account for them. Like the reader links, SSO viewer links can also be branded at the top with your logo and flipbook title, giving a professional look to the presentation. And importantly, you still get to collect statistics on these viewers' engagement. Flipsnack will track views and other metrics from the SSO link, so you maintain insight into how that content is consumed even though viewers don't log into Flipsnack accounts. SSO for Viewers provides the highest level of security for shareable links, since every view is gated by authentication through your trusted system. It's a perfect solution when you need to distribute a flipbook widely but only to verified people.